is my first video, but I'm going to be showing you how to get a rare item if you have a pet bee. And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, and it's going to be in bittersweet. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. So this is right here, and I'm excited to start. I just need to put on my pet bee first. So let's go ahead and put on the bee. Alright, let's do this. I really hope this works, but let's go ahead and try. So what you have to do is you have to get to the circle thing of your animal, and you can't can't collect any candy, and you can't kill any phantoms. So, get away! Okay, so the phantom actually went to me, and then I got this wonderful candy, but that means I have to redo it. So let's try again. Guys, but I finally clicked on it, and let's reveal if it worked. It didn't really work, but I got a freedom hat. So my friend said that it works and she's gotten rare stuff. So I might try it maybe a few more times and then see if it works. Okay, so we're gonna try this again for the second time. No, whatever. It's gonna be the second time if I actually make it of seeing what I get. So yeah. So it happened again. No. No. Kill the phantoms. Okay, I'm gonna reload this page. And hopefully they won't appear and then come to me to get killed. So yeah. So let's just go to parties, bittersweet, load. We'll pause for this part. Okay, so I'm doing another try. So let's just go down the path and watch out for baby phantoms. Go away, you stupid phantoms. No, go! Ah, that means I have to try again. Yay! Okay, so I actually didn't make it there with just without getting candy or killing a phantom. I actually killed a phantom and collected the candy, and then I got this. So I found it's like you kill one phantom and gather the candy from that phantom, or you don't kill any or gather candy. But it's weird. That happened, and then I just chose to choose the item, and so I'm definitely keeping that. And now I'm gonna exit. And that's the end of the video. Those two things might work for getting a rare item. So thanks for watching. Bye. See you later. I know I said bye, but I'm sorry for the recording because the microphone isn't that great on here. So if I sometimes cut out, it's not my fault. Alright, see you guys later. Bye!